Hello. Today I'd like to chat with you about some of the most common contracts that most businesses need when they start. Hi, my name is Sagar Rach. I'm the owner and founder of Rach Law, where we serve your business and personal needs. I want to chat with you today about one of the most common questions I get as a business lawyer. When you start a business, what contracts do you need? There are tons of services online and tons of individuals that will sell you every single kind of contract in the world. The real question is, do you need those? As a business lawyer, some of the most common contracts that I see most of my clients actually needing when they first start are the following. First, you'll need an agreement with the people who you're providing goods or services to. Your agreement between you and your clients. Having an agreement in place for your business with your clients will avoid you having to deal with issues like litigation and dispute resolution. Should your clients not pay you, should your clients not be happy with your goods or services, or otherwise should other issue arise between the relationship between you and your clients. Therefore, it's very important to have a solid client agreement in place between you and your clients, so that both parties understand what the relationship between the two of you will be. One of the most important documents that most individuals and businesses need when they start their business is an independent contractor agreement. The independent contractor agreement is an agreement between you and a third party who will perform services for you, with the third party not necessarily being an employee of yours. It's very important to make sure that agreement covers what you need to regarding some fundamental principles between you and the independent contractor, such as what services are going to be provided, how long the independent contractor is going to provide those services for, what you're going to be paying the independent contractor, the actual output or the product that the independent contractor is providing you, and making sure that whatever product and whatever comes out of the independent contractor's services belongs to the business. Another important contract that's very similar to the independent contractor agreement but differs significantly is the employment agreement. An employment agreement is very common when you decide to hire your first employee. The agreement makes sure that the employee understands what their role is, what they can and can't do, what you're expecting from the employee, and other rules and other parameters regarding the relationship between you and your employee. Another very common contract that we see most businesses need is an NDA, non-disclosure agreement. An NDA or non-disclosure agreement essentially is an agreement where you can share certain thoughts, ideas, and or confidential information with others. Something that you've come up with or that you've thought of that protects your ability to use that idea by preventing the other side from misusing it, from taking the idea and stealing it, from starting their own business with your idea, from sharing that information with third parties, and otherwise from benefiting from your creative work product. An NDA is very often accompanied by a non-solicitation and a non-compete agreement. Those are agreements that essentially make sure that the individuals that you introduce certain parties to aren't then solicited by these parties, and that these parties don't use the information you provide to them to compete with your business. Finally, one of the most common agreements that most businesses ask for when they start is the actual agreement regarding the business itself. For example, an LLC might have an operating agreement. A C corporation might have a shareholder agreement. A partnership might have a partnership agreement. What these agreements do is help structure the internal fundamental nature of the business itself and govern the relationship between those involved, whether that's managers, whether that's shareholders, whether that's members, partners, and so on. Those are some of the most common contracts that we've seen businesses not just request but need when they first start their business. Should you need help starting your business, or should you need help with any of the aforementioned contracts, please feel free to reach out to us at any time, and my staff and I will be happy to help you. You can reach us at 702-758-4240, via email at info@rateattorneys.com, or with the Contact Us page on our website. Thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing from you.